Hi everyone, welcome here, welcome back, welcome to my channel. So recently I did a pop-up sale for the very first time and I made baked goods. So yeah, I wanted to show you behind the scenes of what it is like to prepare for a sale and what I made basically. So prior to what you're seeing right now, um, I had to go shopping, and prior to that, I literally sat and wrote down the recipes and the quantities of each thing and what I needed to buy and how much I needed to buy. So, after all that calculation, I had to go shopping and buy the required amount of things, and yeah, I was able to get it down to the T. So, and then I began the process of actually making the goods. So this is basically me making all the products that I sold and the process of what I did. was basically the sale. I was glad that I was able to sell majority of my goodies by the end of the day, and I just had few that I was able to sell the very next day. So yeah, the sale was nice. It was a very nice first time experience, and I did learn a couple of things which is good for the future. So yeah, that was basically it. As always, live life and love life. I'll see you in the next video. Come back for more and do subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.